Some Deer River hospital workers are on strike once again, but they say this time they plan to stay off the job.
They've been fighting for fair wages with Essentia since August and have yet to come to a compromise.
Northern News Now's Isabella Zadra was in Deer River today hearing from healthcare workers and union members on the picket lines.
Monday, around 70 members of the Service Employees International Union took to the picket lines and are planning to be there for a while. SEIU and Deer River Essentia healthcare workers have been negotiating for higher and fair wages with Essentia since August and have yet to come to an agreement. After a 5-day strike in November, the union brought a new proposal to the table, asking to get all workers up to market wages reflected at other regional Essentia clinics in their first year and to add a 4% increase in years 2 and 3. Essentia believes that this was an unreasonable ask and a compromise was never made, now sending workers back on strike until they get the deal. Kayla Schwankel is one of the many striking and says the union has been proposing different things while Essentia has proposed the same deal more than once.
Very frustrating that all of the movement is being on our side and we're not getting any movement from them.
Essentia's current proposal is a wage increase of around 9% over all 3 years, something they find more reasonable and sustainable.
This offer is consistent with about 15 agreements that have already been ratified this year by other union groups at Essentia with the same kinds of roles.
Essentia has urged SEIU leaders to call a vote on their proposal, but according to Schwankel, they held a survey before the strike and no one in the union agreed with those wages. At the end of the day, Deer River Essentia hospital and nursing home workers say they love what they do, but have been underpaid for too long and need to make a livable wage.
We want to be brought up to the market. Not very many people these days could afford to live on $17 an hour, and a lot of our members are still making around $17 an hour.
In Deer River, Isabella Zadra, Northern News Now.
Isabel, thank you. Now, Essentia also added that during the strike, they will focus on emergency care and long-term care at Essentia Health Homestead, but will likely not be able to accept any new patients for hospital admissions.